Can I video your dog? Who's this? Buddy. How are you, Buddy? That's Tilly over there. She'll come over the second time she meets you. She's a YouTube channel. Tonight there'll be a intro video. I do an intro video on all the new dogs we meet, and then we do a weekly highlight of our walks, all the dogs